Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you various ways that you can appear more attractive to the eye, but also little tips that you can incorporate into your routine to ensure that both your mind and your heart also are the most attractive aspects about you. My first tip is definitely going to be one of my most important, and that is to establish a morning routine. I know that morning routines are one of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube because I just find it so intriguing to see how someone wakes up and goes about their day. I'm also that person that'll wake up 30 minutes before I need to ensure that I enjoy my morning for what it is. I find that I thrive the most in the morning, so that's when I like to take care of my emails. I like to brainstorm. I like to enjoy a cup of coffee. Your girl needs caffeine, so I want to make sure I'm enjoying that coffee rather than just pounding it and chugging it, although sometimes I have to do that too. I want to enjoy the warmth. I also like to sometimes read in the morning to get that mental stimulation. I like to light a candle. I like to set the tone for how my day is gonna go. So that's why I want to mention these new candles from Scentbird. Lighting a candle is definitely a way to put me in a good mood. And if I want my day to continuously have that good mood, I need to start it in the morning. So two scents I'm gonna be featuring that are perfect for spring are Earl Grey and Blackberry. Love that. And they do come in this cute little tin containers, which is awesome, okay? You can reuse these and they're cute packaging, so you won't feel weird about reusing them because you'll like how they look. It's fine, I'm not filming or anything. On the back, this says tea time, which I think is just so sweet. And this scent is very calming, but also very stimulating at the same time. So the notes on this, the candle description says, it's a super cozy Earl Grey with lush blackberry brewed to perfection. So I would light this and then I would go brew my coffee. I would get on the couch, do some work, and just enjoy being alive. That should be the first thing you do when you wake up, is thank the universe that you woke up for another day, okay? You are alive to see another day, so just because of that, it's gonna be a good one. This next scent is Rosé and Prosecco, and on the back it says, it's not day drinking, it's brunch. And if you watch my vlogs, you know I'm an avid bruncher, so this one really resonates with me. And this is also very awakening, would be a good way to describe this scent. So the description says, a vibrant rose spiked with a touch of fizz all day, every day. They're speaking my language. There's a few particular reasons why I like these candles. First of all, they're cruelty-free, so that means no animals were harmed in the making of this candle. I'm all about that. Secondly, they are also paraben and sulfate free, so there's no harmful chemicals. And if you've watched prior videos of mine, you know that I'm on a non-toxic journey and I like to use products that are not gonna harm me in the long run. So that's definitely a plus. I do have a 30% off coupon, so make sure if you order from Scentbird that you use my coupon down below. That coupon is gonna be TBM30, so that gives you 30% off the site, and you can also use it towards their perfumes, which I did get some new perfumes for the spring. Again, with the morning routine, it's just all about waking up and feeling good. So I've been trying to get a little bit more ready, and that means enjoying the process of picking out my outfit, enjoying the process of curling my hair, enjoying the process of choosing my scent, because your scent kind of is your signature, and it's definitely a way that people remember you by. So Scentbird offers 30-day subscriptions, and it is $14.95. So you get to try a new perfume every 30 days, okay, for $14.95. So comes in this cute packaging, you just twist to put it down, and then very simple. The perfumes I have this month are by Philosophy, and I wanted something for spring, so these are right up my alley. Again, I have both Amazing Grace and I also have Pure Grace. These are both really fresh and crisp scents, which is exactly what I'm going for. Use that coupon on either the candles or the perfume and get that morning routine going. It's literally how you're gonna structure your entire day, so make sure it's a good one. My next tip on how to glow up for spring is going to be oil pulling. Now, I've been oil pulling for the past 5 days, and I actually enjoy the process. I'll take about a spoonful of coconut oil and swish it in my mouth for about 10 minutes. And I notice once I'm done oil pulling, my mouth just feels so much more clean and fresh, and I think all of us suffer from morning breath, and so this is a great way to eliminate that harmful bacteria as soon as you wake up in the morning. The amount of bacteria that accumulates overnight is disturbing, so I've been using coconut oil to combat that, as well as I do think I might have a slight form of gum disease. My gums bleed really easily when I floss and brush my teeth. Coconut oil has been used to fight gum disease, and it's a natural way, so your girl is doing it. People also claim that oil pulling helps with whitening your teeth, and again, if that's not another reason to swish coconut oil in your mouth for 10 minutes, I don't know what is. They do say start with 10 minutes a day and then slowly add increments. So go to from 10 to 15, 15 to 20, as long as you can do it. But I think all of us have 10 minutes in the morning, like whether you're just making your bed, brewing your coffee, cooking up some breakfast, you have 10 minutes. Put that timer on your phone, swish this stuff in your mouth, and let's see the long-term benefits we get from it. My third tip is not gonna be for everyone. I think a lot of people might find this gross, but I'm an active girl. I work out about 6 times a week, and on a lazy week, or a busy week, I should say, it's gonna be about 5 times. So I am always working out, meaning my hair is always getting sweaty. However, with a busy life and someone who works quite frequently and needs their hair styled frequently, I'm not gonna wash my hair every day. So what I notice as a tip on how to kind of fight that greasiness after a workout is to blow dry your sweat. So take your blow dryer after your workout and after you've showered and just kind of blow out the sweat in your hair. Then use dry shampoo and then style. I find that it just makes your hair last so much longer, and it kind of eliminates a lot of that sweat buildup. I think that's where most of the grease comes from, is just that sweat sitting in your hair. But if you blow it out, it gets dry, and then you can style it as usual. So like I said, this might not be for everyone, but if you're a fit and active person that does get hair dirty often, this is an easy way to keep it clean and fresh much longer. My fourth tip also has to do with your hair, and it's cleaning your hair tools. Now, if you use products such as hairspray or a leave-in conditioner, or maybe you use texturizing spray, as you curl your hair or flat iron your hair, all of that chemical buildup from the products is staying on your flat iron or staying on your curler, and then transfers onto your hair. So if you just take a little cotton swab and put some alcohol on it and clean it up every so often, you'll eliminate that buildup. Another tip I have is going to be about how to look more glowy. So I figured I would demonstrate on camera for you guys. I like to use a liquid highlighter. So this one is just the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. I'll apply that to my finger. And I like to highlight both my décolleté as well as my shoulders. So there's so many people that have seen me do this and now do it themselves, because the difference it makes is just tremendous. So you're just gonna dot a little bit on your bones and kind of wipe it out. Make sure it's well blended. And then I take a pressed powder, or a pressed highlighter, I should say. Okay, although mine is not pressed, mine is broken, but it's okay. I'm taking Champagne Pop and I just layer that on top. Now, can you not see the difference on how much better I look? Like, I just think this is so feminine and attractive, and again, like, I'll just add it to my shoulder bones. And I just think it adds such a subtle hint of sexiness, but girl, it does wonders. So definitely think of highlighting your body when you remember to, especially if you're wearing a low-cut blouse or you're wearing something that's gonna accentuate those features. Highlighting is key. I mentioned in the beginning of this video that mental stimulation is so important. So I wanted to feature the book I'm currently reading, as well as the book that I'm going to be reading as soon as this one's finished. So the book I'm reading right now is Kara Alwill Leba, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, and it's called Girl Code. So it's Unlocking the Secrets to Success, Sanity, and Happiness for the Female Entrepreneur. So I like this book. It includes some tips. It includes her own experience. It also includes interviews from fellow girl bosses. So I think this is a great, easy read. Read a chapter a night. Get off your phone. Get off the computer. Like, I find myself sometimes aimlessly scrolling. There is no new information on there, okay? And if it is, it's not benefiting you. Pick up a book. Gives you something to talk about with fellow people. And it also, I think, really changes you as a person. I'm kidding you not, my entire perspective changed by reading You Are a Badass. Definitely recommend that to everyone. But since I've already read that, now I need new books to get some more advice on. So hopefully I will gain some new perspective from this book. This is Creating Money, Attracting Abundance by Sonia Roman and Dwan Packer. So this is gonna be the next book I read. I will let you know what I think about it. I definitely plan on filming a books that changed my life video, so please comment down below if that would be something you would be interested in. I will make sure to get it filmed. This last tip kind of goes off of what I just said about the social media thing. It's very easy to use social media to compare yourself and to kind of measure your success versus someone else's. Please realize that you can be as equally as successful as those girls or those guys that you admire. If they can do it, so can you. So rather than using social media as a tool of judgment or comparison, use it as a way to stimulate yourself and make yourself want to do better. Use someone else's success as a way to fuel your own, and I promise you will be there in no time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what your favorite tip is down below, or if you have any spring glow up tips that I should try. Until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.